In this video, I will show you how to level up in Monopoly Go. Step number 1. Acquire properties. Focus on buying as many properties as you can early in the game aim of monopolies because it increases your rent income when opponents land on your properties. Step number 2. Build houses and hotels. Once you own a complete color group, invest in building houses and eventually hotels. This will significantly increase the rent you can change other players when they land on your properties. Step number 3. Negotiate and trade. Be open to negotiation and trade with other players. Sometimes exchanging properties or making deals can help you complete color group or gain a strategic advantage. Step number 5. Manage your money. Keep a close eye on your finance. Make sure you always have enough money to cover the necessities, expenses such as buying up properties and paying a rent. Avoid overspending or going bankrupt. Step number 5. Avoid jail time. Landing in jail can be setback as it prevents you from collecting rent or making properties transactions. Try to stay out of jail by using get out of the jail free cards or managing your dice rolls effectively. Step number 6. Strategy decision making. Consider the board layout and probability of landing on certain spaces. Make informed decisions about purchasing properties, trading, and strategically placing houses or hotels. Step number 7. Mortgage properties wisely. If you are low on cash, consider mortgaging properties rather than selling them. Mortgaging allows you to borrow money while keeping ownership of the property. Remember to pay off mortgage as soon as possible to regain full control of the property. Step number 8. Be mindful of your opponents. Observe your opponent's strategies, financial situations, and property ownership. This information can help you negotiate better deals, make strategic decisions, and anticipate their moves. Remember, luck plays a significant role in Monopoly. So even with a solid strategy, there is no guarantee of winning. Enjoy the game and have fun with your fellow players.